Alright guys, so it is time. I am taking my tree off now because I've been losing it too much. I'll tell you guys in a second. Like losing it, like I almost lost it 4 times already. Going slow, but last night I was mobbing pretty hard with everyone and like doing donuts, and it stayed on perfectly fine. So, hey listen, it's time to take it off. We gotta see if this wrap takes the other wrap off. So this is the moment of truth right here. So I actually had to cut the straps, and Blaine gave me permission to because they're his straps, but finally got it off because it's so tight you actually couldn't undo the belt. Man, it is gross up here. There's so many pin needles and dirt. My wrap's coming off. Oh, my wrap, it's gone. This part's fun though. It's like Christmas. Oh, there's my sunroof. At least I get to look at it. No, I lost another piece of wrap. This looks like a mess. I feel like there was a triangle like right here because it's not there anymore. If you guys don't know, we used white vinyl wrap that was really not sticky, but apparently it is. And I live in a garage. I don't live in a garage, but I keep my car in a garage, so it's not really hot out. So it doesn't bake, so that's why we thought it'd be okay, but I guess not. Now my hands are all full of sap and very sticky, so that's nice. My tree is completely flat on this side. It's really funny, actually. So I gotta take all the lights off and the ornaments off, but we're gonna put it in my tire holder for right now. Until I get back. Thank you, tire holder. I'll have to clean that up later. And I just gotta tape this piece because I'm gonna keep this wrap on and do a little something for you guys. So I lost this piece right here. I lost this here. There's some white wrap and a lot of crap on top. And then there's some wrap here too. And then this is a cutout triangle, and I had a little diamond sticker in it, and it got ripped off by the wrap. But yeah, I really got to clean my car. Thank you, my tire stand for my tree. That's beautiful, and that's it. Zip ties are life. So as you guys know, I took my tree off earlier, and it's not there anymore. But I have so many cool videos with it on. We went to a Delray Avenue, which is a really like popular place, and we broke so many necks. We did a video there, so go check it out. I'll leave a link right here. Gianni's helping me. We took the ornaments and the lights off the tree, but we're gonna put the lights back on the tree now. So this is gonna, put the lights on the car. So we have a little idea of what we wanna do. We're gonna put lights in the front and back. So yeah, we'll record it for you guys. We'll try that again. That might get me pulled over. Might get me pulled over. You think?
If a cop sees you, yeah, they might. I don't know. Depends.
It's very bright. It looks good though. All right, time to do the front. So now we have all these lights left, which are as many as are on the back there. So we're gonna do something like with my grill or splitter or something here. So we had to make a few more adjustments on the front right here, but we ended up making it actually really good, like how we wanted it. So it did go through the grill. It's not exactly what I was going for, but hey, look how obnoxious this is. So this works perfectly.
Did you just go faster?
Good job. I don't know. It's just really trippy.
I think
Oh, it is changing. I don't even know what mode this is on.
Insane, bro.
Oh well, looks good now. Cool. Good job, sir. Now we gotta go break some more necks on the road, and hopefully we don't get pulled over with this. I don't see why we would, but like, you don't know. I fixed this piece here, like you can tell that was like the actual triangle. But and then this one, that one I saved. This one just like totally could not save. I'm gonna have to like cut it perfectly, which actually I'm gonna probably do now before we head out. Turn these lights on. Kind of just ran this one through the back, but yeah, looks pretty good. I'm kind of happy about this. So it's gonna be obnoxious on the road, even more obnoxious than we already are. Why are you in my car already?
I'm waiting to see this.
All right, we gotta go put the balls inside. I'm gonna save these for next year if they even Work. Yeah, right. Isn't that funny? Oh, I didn't even show you guys. I had Santas on my steering wheel. I also had. Let me shut these lights off. I have red and green lights all around for Chrysler. Christmas. Merry Christmas. Yeah, these are all red in general, just because my demon eyes are red. And then there's a Santa here, because I don't know why. Oh, let me turn my demon eyes for you. That looks kind of, dude, that looks really sick. That looks so sick.
Looks pretty good.
It does, it does. Okay, it looks like it has like a smiley face, like mustache kind of thing going on. Okay, Wawa run, Rico. We're going to Wawa, because Wawa runs our life.